To hide data or formulas from the formula bar, press Ctrl 1 to enter the Format Cells window. Navigate to the Protection tab and then check the Hidden box. And then click OK. To apply the Hidden option, you need to set a password for the sheet from the Review tab. Now the formula is hidden from the formula bar. If you want to hide the cell content in addition to the formulas, first unprotect the sheet, then press Ctrl 1 again and navigate to the Number tab. And select Custom Category. In the Type field, enter 3 semicolons and press OK. Now the cell content is hidden. To finalize the hidden processes again, you need to set a password for the sheet from the Review tab. Now both formula and cell content are hidden.